20-year-old Drew Pavlou was familiar with the challenges that come when you speak out against the Chinese Communist Party or the CCP on human rights. Sometimes even physical attacks. But he underestimated the CCP after he organized a pro-Hong Kong rally. A Chinese consul general, Xu Jie, issued a statement calling his event anti-China. The Chinese regime's state media put out his name.
It was basically like an invitation to attack me. It's like open season on this guy.
Then came hundreds of death threats flooding in, targeting him and his family.
I can take the death threats to myself because that just comes with it. But it's more like the CCP knows the way to get you, I guess, is by targeting your family. And they didn't ask to be involved in any of this. And my mum didn't ask to get those sorts of rape and death threats.
It's not just him. Pavlou said the CCP has harassed families of his Hong Konger and Chinese Muslim friends, also because of their dissident activities.
It's the way the mafia, the mobsters work, the gangsters.
Pavlou has filed a lawsuit against Xu. His lawyers say this is possibly the first time a Chinese consul general was made to answer a criminal complaint as a result of his official duty of issuing threats.
That's the one thing people listen to, the fear of consequence and retribution. So.
But if no action is taken,
that's going to set a very dangerous precedent, because that's a green light for people like Xu Jie to continue to incite violence.
Pavlou said his family have asked him to stop.
Unfortunately, as evidenced by my interview in New York City that I'm giving right now, I haven't stopped.
He said it's because the choice is clear.
After World War II and the Holocaust, the world promised never again, and we've broken that promise so many times. And each time, the blood stains our hands. And we can't continue to keep breaking that promise never again. It's happening again now. And if we fail to act, we'll always have that shame and guilt always sitting on our conscience.
Australia's government has sent a letter to the court saying that Xu has diplomatic immunity and so he doesn't have to testify. The court will hear the case later this month. Reporting by Penny Zhou, NTD News.